Solution. Degree of dissociation of acetic acid given concentration C equals 0.1 N or 0.1 m. Dissociation constant Ka equals 1 times 10 to the power minus 5 Step 1. Set up the dissociation equation CH₃COOH right left terpoons CH₃COOH to the power plus H to the power plus Step 2. Apply the dissociation constant formula for weak acids when degree of dissociation is alpha. Ka equals Calpha to the power 2 over 1 alpha. Since Ka is small, assume alpha LL1. So 1 alpha approx 1 K. Approx Calpha to the power 2 Step 3. Solve for alpha alpha to the power 2 equals Ka over C equals 1 times 10 to the power minus 5 over 0.1 equals 10 to the power minus 5 over 10 to the power minus 1 equals 10 to the power minus 4 alpha equals square root of 10 to the power minus 4 equals 10 to the power minus 2 equals 0.01 Step 4. Verify the approximation since alpha equals 0.01 LL1, our assumption is valid. Answer, the degree of dissociation is *0.01 or 1% or *10 to the power minus 2 depending on how option D is presented. The answer is D.